Hello all of you, Dipti Chheda here. Welcome to the second video for the most important points to remember for BRS. Okay, if you're watching this in continuity, very nice. If not, go and watch the first video where I have given you all the concepts on how to remember whether it is a favorable balance and overdraft, and when you're doing add and less, what is the action to be taken, right? Let me share the screen also and revise for all of you. And this second video for the BRS revision today is when they ask you in exam to prepare the BRS along with adjusted cash account. So what is this concept of adjusted cash account? But before we go into that, look at the screen I'm sharing. I hope you remember this is what we have done in the last class, that if we are having favorable balance in our books, debit balance, favorable, credit balance, overdraft, unfavorable. So if it is a debit balance, if we have not recorded, let us record it. If we have recorded and bank has not recorded, reverse it. If it is our mistake, let us rectify it. If it is bank's mistake, reverse it. Bank ने by mistake debit किया है, आप भी credit करो. So these are the points I have explained you in 5 seconds, but I think last video we have done it for more than 20 minutes with all examples. Now, right now, directly I want to take you to the concept of adjusted cash book. Yes, so what happens exactly? Same problem I've solved with normal BRS also and with the adjusted cash book also, so that you come to know. Yeah, this is it. Now look at the screen. What it says, adjusted cash book, that adjusted cash book we say, but actually it is the bank account in our books. I hope you are getting. 1 second. So we say adjusted cash book, but it is the bank book. So normally 8 to 10 all the items will come in the BRS, but in exam if they ask you to prepare the BRS along with adjusted cash book, then first start with adjusted cash book. If any entries are not recorded in our books, let us record it. My bank balance is 10,000, but I missed recording 100 rupees payment. Let me record it in the adjusted cash book. So adjusted cash book is nothing but in our books bank account. If some entries are not recorded, record it. If there are some errors in our book, rectify it. I hope you are getting. So you will get the correct closing balance in the adjusted cash book. Then only remaining items will come in BRS. So you may be thinking, ma'am, bacha hi kya? In my books, if I have not recorded, I record it. If there are some errors in my book, I have rectified. Now what is left out? Timing difference and errors of the past book. So this is one of the booster note I give to students. If they ask you adjusted cash book, in BRS only 2 items will come. Timing difference, and because timing difference you cannot do anything in our own books, and bank's mistake. Bank has debited you credit in the BRS, not in your books. Are you getting? So now look at this example and it will be very clear to you. Ye dekho. Like this problem is balance as per our books. Check deposited but not debited. Okay. So when we deposited the check, but हमने books में debit करना भूल गए, तो now debit it. It's already a debit or debit add. Wrongly credited. You have to debit a check, by mistake you credit it. So now you debit it with double the amount. One to nullify the credit effect and another. Just some example I'm giving. check issued. When you issued, you credited. Timing difference. So now debit. Add. Dividend you have received in the bank. You have not recorded. So you record it. This is a debit balance. Dividend मिला तो balance क्या हो जाएगा? बढ़ जाएगा. Debited. Right? Now, so like this, if I discuss the whole problem, I think it's taking time like this. So better, what do we do? So all check issued but not recorded, then we have taken it in the less. यहाँ से less शुरू हो गया. Undercast means 10,000 less you have recorded or karo. Some subscriptions you have directly paid through bank, but you have not recorded record. So fine, this is a routine BRS problem. If I explain this, the video will go for more than half an hour. I want to give you the concept that this is a routine BRS. Now, suppose if they say, take it in the adjusted cash book also, and then prepare the BRS. Then, adjusted cash book will start with 8,36,400. Okay. So now normal BRS so you have followed. That all add and less you will be able to do. Now, if this is BRS with adjusted cash book, then whatever are our mistakes that we have deposited the check but we missed debiting. So now debit. Wrong credit nullify. So rectify the mistakes in your book only, T format account only, and if any entry is not recorded like this one, record it. If it is recorded by mistake, credit, now debit. So do all the adjustments from our side, you will get the closing balance. Now in BRS, you will not take 836 because in adjusted cash book, you have rectified the errors in our book. In my bank account, what were mistakes, I have rectified. In my bank account, entries what I have not recorded, I have recorded. And now, what will come in the BRS? Only the timing difference. Or what, that is the check issued but not cleared, or mistake in the passbook. Yes? Once again, I want to give the gist. If they ask you to solve the problems of BRS with adjusted cash book, start with the balance as per our books, prepare adjusted cash book. In adjusted cash book, rectify the errors. Some mistakes are there in our bank account, rectify. Record the entries what you have not recorded. Now you will get the correct closing balance in the adjusted cash book. Take that closing balance and now prepare the beautiful small BRS in which only two types of adjustments will come. One is timing difference and another is the error in the passbook. I've closed the screen, but I'm telling you, and one more thing, that a third open type of problems also I teach in the class which may come, wherein they have already given you bank statement and they have already given you your account. Now you put a tick, yahan debit, yahan credit. So automatically the items which are not there, they are the part of the BRS and then you solve the question. Are you getting? Huh? So bank reconciliation statement is a super interesting topic. Yes or no? That is, I am feeling, I am excited. Are you? Please comment below whether you followed both the part 1 and part 2 of BRS on. I'm literally saying it's a challenge, what I'm doing. It's easy to take routine class and ये problem है, ये answer है, इसको add less. पर क्या करोगे बट्टीफाई करके? You understand that mindset. Okay, if they ask me to prepare adjusted cash book, my mistake, I will rectify. My entries I have not recorded, I'll record. So these two things are over in the adjusted cash book. Now remaining left out, which will come in the BRS, is timing difference and passbook errors. And if they don't ask you to prepare adjusted cash book, then start with the bank balance as per our books, debit balance, add and let's take everything as we have discussed in the first video, right? So hope you perform super well, amazing well in the exam with the help of this video. And if you want to learn more with these conceptual videos, you can check another video which I have prepared for provision for depreciation. It's an important adjustment in final accounts of sole proprietor, non-trading, or in inter-level also in the hire purchase cash flow statement. Har jagah, provision for depreciation is a beautiful concept. So like these, some conceptual learning, if you feel it is good, you are following, do subscribe to the channel and do share it with your friends also, right? Thank you so much for watching this video till end. Signing off now, see Dipti, Chheda. All the best to all of you. Bye-bye. So did you enjoy these conceptual learning? If yes, then below the video, the link is given for our Telegram group. You can join. For concept classes app, you can download. Lot of videos are there in the free content also, along with the PDF material. So whole chapter, you can download the material, you can watch all the videos in detail and do learning. Lot of theory questions, other PDFs are all included. Okay, right? So do connect with us with all the links below. If you have any query, you can write a mail and you can connect with us through the link, and would be more than glad to help you join our concept classes app community, waiting to welcome you all, right? Thank you so much. Wish you very all the best. And if you really like these kind of the concepts, hit the notification button, hit the like button, so that you're notified next time when we are taking a lecture or we are uploading it in the YouTube. And do share this video with friends. Do comment below the video for any query also, any doubt also, and if you have really taken some value addition. I'm on a mission to help more than 10,000 students. I really want to help by putting lot of value addition with the way I have learned. These all subjects are interlinked: account, tax, costing, FM. And you will enjoy this interlinking knowledge. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye-bye.